From stone and spear to steel and fire, humanity has always shaped its destiny through battle. Empires rose, weapons evolved, and the soldier adapted. This is not just the story of war. This is the story of human survival. Welcome to War.
Listen to the sound of history. The first enemy, the first fear, the first choice to fight. We sharpened our tools, but made our world more dangerous. The fight became an army. The battle became a storm. Honor and horror born together. The storm moved to our homes, our streets. Nowhere was safe.
And we created a sun of our own, a sun that only brings night.
This is our journey, from stone to starfire.
They did not find weapons. They made them. Idea to hand to tool. Their world was giant, and they were so small. Every shadow could be danger. Every step, a risk. Fear turns to action. Silence turns to violence. The first tactic, surprise. And after the fight, what? Quiet. Loss. The cost, seen in the first light. But as humans settled, war would change forever. We changed stone for metal, and everything changed. We stopped being just people. We became something bigger. We became an army. We engineered the perfect soldier, one who felt no fear because his brother to the left and right was his courage. His shield was not his own. It was the empire's. War became a game, and the general was the player. We did not just arm our hands. We armored our souls. We cloaked our violence in ritual, in symbol, in glory. And once order conquered chaos, empires would rise. The knight at the top, the peasant at the bottom, all connected by a promise. The castle said, "This is mine, and you cannot enter." The siege army answered with fire and stone. He was covered in steel, and he believed God was with him. He was not just a fighter, he was a weapon of his Lord and his church. This was the system. Now war was holy. To fight was to serve God. To die in battle was to go straight to heaven. Religion became the best reason for war. And when the fight was over, the beautiful flags were in the mud. The prayers were forgotten. Only one thing was true. War was still about killing, no matter what you called it. But one invention would end the age of knights forever.